Hello everyone, today we're going to be cooking sisig. This recipe has been handed over to me by Chef Francis. He's now in Canada. Chef, thank you for the recipe. I've been using this recipe for 10 years now. And if you want to see the instructions and the video and of course the ingredients, please don't blink and watch it until the end.
Gone this day, baby. Put a smell on you. Put a smell on you.
The best rice to eat this sisig is with garlic rice. Again, it's up to you. It's up to your preference. But me, I love eating it with garlic fried rice. Sisig, by the way, is a very hearty dish. So you need to have a lemon with it to cut the richness of the pork and also the fried eggs. So I'm gonna have this over the top of the rice, a little bit of chili, and more lemon. Okay. But it reminds me of home. It's very, very delicious. And me, I love eating it with chili. I love it. I love everything spicy. I'm gonna cut this, put this over here, and have a mouthful. Oh, the yolk. So if you want to create something new or to to upgrade or rather recreate Filipino dishes, then you can follow my my channel. And again, it's gonna be weekly, so I hope to see you every week. See you guys. Thank you.